look at that. Look here, and then look on the inside. My God, that's messed up. And then this side is even worse. The inside is completely worn. Dude, I can almost move it with my bare hands. I was standing with the bushing, but now at night time it's turning, but it gets hot, so every time it does, I burn it. So I ran into another problem, like after burning the rubber, the bushing had like the middle piece in it. This piece is also turning. It was turning and it's middle. So the bolt is on the inside, but this piece is turning and it won't get up. So what I ended up doing, I get it as tight as I could on the middle piece of the inside bushing, and now I burn it, like, you know, use your torch, the breaker bar on it, and then watch as I turn. Okay, so now I think I figured out how to do it, how to break it free. So now that I burnt it, I used the torch to burn it. As you can see, like the control arm itself is okay. Need to push it, apply some pressure here. Want to hold this for me? Good job, engine. So this thing was seized with the board. That's the board, and the whole thing was just turning. So that's how it looks like. And